Hi, it's Jacqueline or Galactica, and welcome back to my channel. I had a pretty busy week this week, so I didn't get a chance to film what I actually wanted to film for YouTube, so I thought I would take this opportunity to show you something that I actually do as part of my little business. So I decided to put my multitasking skills to the test, and I actually knocked off 3 things off my to-do list with this video. I filmed this over on Twitch while I was doing a live stream, and now I've time-lapsed it for you guys so you don't have to watch an hour and a half long video. The main purpose though was because I'm adding new things to my Etsy store. So this is going to be something that I'll be using for some advertisement over on there. So make sure to head to the description box below to find the link to my Etsy. So you'll be updated when the new stuff goes live. I'm not quite sure when I'll get that up yet, but hopefully sometime this week. So the biggest part of my little business is personalized pet portraits. People can go over to Etsy and order one of these, send me a photo, and I'll draw up their pet in this style, but I also have a whole bunch of other styles as well. If you watched my last video, you would probably recognize this cat as my cat Marty. I've used the same pose and the same reference photo that I used in the last video for my Create This Book page. Since I like how it turned out so much, I decided to use that one again for advertisement for my Etsy store. It's been a long while since I actually did one of these for myself, and the benefit of that is that I have the original copy to take different photos and different angles if I need to update Etsy. I think all up this week I've drawn this cat 4 times. She is so lucky, she's so loved, and she's loving all the attention. Poor Merlin though, I kind of yeah, she's harder to paint because she's so black, and Marty has a lot more color interest, I suppose, and I can show my skills in this type of calico cat style better than what I could show with Merlin. So anyway, since I am a little bit short on time, I thought I would just do a nice little time lapse for you guys, put some nice soothing music so you can just chill out and watch it and listen, and you know, without me talking over the top of it the whole time, just like how I used to do back in the day when I first started YouTube. I thought you guys might enjoy that. So have fun, watch until the end so you can see a cute little video of Marty and Merlin. She features too because I have to share the love. And let me know what you think afterwards in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys next week.